Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to order from eBay. Now let's dive into the topic. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you have logged in, use the search bar at the top to find the item that you want. Tap on it. Now search the item that you want. For example, I want to buy a gown dress. Tap on it. Now browse through the search items and find the items that best matches what you are looking for. You can also filter the results based on the price, condition or the seller location. When you have found the item you want, tap on it. Now check the item details, photos and shipping information to make sure everything looks good. Once you are happy with the product, tap on add to cart if you want to buy more items, or buy it now to purchase the item immediately. I am going to buy the item immediately, so I am tapping on buy it now. Now select the color, note and label size. Once you have selected the color, note and label size, tap on buy it now. Now review your order. Here's order details, the quantity, delivery date, and here's the order summary. Once you're okay with everything, select the payment method that you prefer. Here it has PayPal, Google Pay and add a new card option. Use your preferable payment method. Once everything is fine, tap on confirm and pay. As this is a demo video, I'm not going to buy this product. However, I'll guide you through the rest process. After completing the payment, you will receive an order confirmation and your item will be on its way. And that's how you order from eBay. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.